Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Aveda's Dry Shampoo. My 3 favorite things about this dry shampoo are 1. That it's non-aerosol, so it doesn't dry out the hair or leave a residue. 2. The texture is a fine powder, so it leaves the hair feeling soft and looking fab. 3. It's a shampoo scent, so if you haven't already experienced that, stop into any Aveda store or Douglas J and experience that. I highly recommend. Because it's a non-aerosol dry shampoo, it has a very unique application. Keeping the nozzle closed, tilt the bottle gently and then back upright. Open the nozzle and gently squeeze the sides until powder puffs out. Apply to the top of the head for oil control and fresh feels. You can also apply to the mids and ends of the hair for added texture to a first or second day hair look. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.